Master project-based costs, budgets, and expected revenue with Acumatica's extensive and mobile project accounting application. Project-centric businesses, such as engineers, architects, contractors, technology firms, ad agencies, and consultants, gain efficiency with a seamless connection between the field and office. Add project accounting to any Acumatica ERP solution to maintain complete, real-time project control. Acumatica Project Accounting gives you the power to create and manage project budgets and estimate future costs, allocate resources and understand how they impact the project's budget, calculate the value of unbilled work with work-in-progress reporting, capture costs in the field for forecasting and profit analysis, ensure projects adhere to client contract terms and compliance standards, recognize revenue by the percentage of work completed, track project costs against estimates with job costing, bill clients based on milestones, labor hours, and materials used. Real-time data syncs from the field to office, connecting project stakeholders from anywhere. Let's look at some examples of Acumatica's Project Accounting's powerful toolset. Setup time kills momentum. With predefined roles and templates, you can launch new projects in minutes. Assign a project manager, superintendent, or estimator instantly to ensure everyone has the right access from day one. For project-based businesses, cash flow is king. Our powerful WIP insights transform how you track performance. You can assess project health instantly, ensuring accurate revenue recognition for percentage of completion billing. No more guesswork, just data-driven confidence. Your projects don't happen at a desk, and neither should your accounting. Our enhanced mobility features put the power of Acumatica in your pocket. Manage change orders, approve invoices, and review daily field reports directly from your mobile device. Imagine spotting a budget overrun before it happens. Our data-driven variance reporting uses AI to identify risks early, allowing you to pivot before a small delay becomes a major cost. And with automated cost code assignment, we've eliminated the manual data entry that leads to errors. The system intelligently assigns the right codes, keeping your reporting clean and your project accounting accurate. Discover how Smart Numbers streamlines project accounting with Acumatica.
At Smart Numbers, our mission is to make voice communication safer. We have cloud-based communications technology, and it's used by most of the high street banks in the UK. When we first started looking for a replacement platform, we looked at all the main alternatives: SAP Business One, NetSuite, Sage, and really for us, none of them stood up in the way that Acumatica did.
Prior to Acumatica, we were using a different software, and that was very clunky, it was hard to use, there was too many processes just to fill out a simple form and get the PO at the end of the application.
We had probably a dozen different systems that didn't integrate, that didn't work with each other. The data was very siloed, and things like purchase orders, expense claims, which should be done easily, were actually a burden, and people were having to wait till they were in the office to do those sorts of everyday tasks.
Acumatica Project Accounting automates project management and billing activities. It provides insights for optimizing resources and monitoring progress, so you can have more profitable projects and happier customers. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.